ngathi awuthike ngizwe ne vele sengiplakile nami no ethona hayi ngidonse kokucala vele hayi lento yenza next muso just the waste die uphume kuye kusasa babuye futhi azikhipha ihlamahlama ngithenga amabhiya yini ngathi awuthingizwe futhi kanti let's I'm gonna get it right vele angishavele leya feeling le I went from there. That's when shit hit the fan. Whatever happens yabo. I sahamba vele the first time vele I suffer crane ngoba beyi golf golf one imoto simple vele ukuthatha got paid yazi nani weekend wenza was start amaris lapho saboshwa singene 10 days khona this other yona waphuma nge-MR29
lava fubise ukuthi ambulala vele
things amaspekula things omakhosha na
leyo bengifuna to leave no stone unturned.
Yes, good. Zimbindaba. Bathisebenzisa umuthi baba. Welcome back to yet another episode of Realign with 925. You know we're doing it like we're doing it for TV, the podcast that other podcasters watch. You know what this podcast is all about. There's no need for me to just further on and tell you what this podcast is all about. But yeah, the only thing that I would like to tell you, Gucci, don't forget, Gucci, we're doing this podcast, Gucci, amachita se understand the life yabo based on ngendlela esibabona ngayo because umuntu ngambona estradini umnyazi, but we need to understand the root cause yokuthi why lo muntu abe sestradini. So amachita abe azo align with what happened actually. So I want you to understand that with what is this podcast actually all about. Today ngivayile ngathola umjita go by the name uManqoba Khumalo. So na Manqoba uthize mfethu une interest yokuthi ezengayi azobeka idaba lakhe ukuthi click kahle kahle khambani life yakhe and nokunye nje since you know kazi
ola makazi I know 100
mnandi yeah, first of all ngisho ngithanda ukubonga ukuthi ngithema ngibekela ngedaba le podcast what no awuna jive
yazi
ngakhona ukuthi nawe ushovu idaba lakho mfethu. So ngathanda ukucala ngokuthi ubekele abantu ukuthi Manqoba ubani ukhule kanjani then ngizongena nje ngama question phakathi.
Alright, basically mina Manqoba like ngazalelwe eMelo ne and then at the age of 2 ngaya Free State go Everco.
Yeah.
So la ngikhulele khona vele my whole life vele basically belapho primary school, high school, and then after matric ngaya varsity eBloemfontein ngagela khona just for 2 years.
Yeah, buchuna mama course
ngara computer information science.
Alright.
Yeah. Then second year vele hayi ngoba majita vele bese waspana le Jozi in manje ngisaseskela ngisacela umama inyuku vele ngamtshela ngithi lady ngeke.
Yeah.
Ufuna ispan mina manje. Then that's when ngamuvela ko Pitori. Yeah, fike Pitori vele ngaspana. Yeah, first job yami nguphe SLC le Midrand.
Wenzela ama consultant.
Yeah, call center agent. Yeah, wona ngofunela this customer service. Yeah. Yeyo job yami yokuqala. Ngaspana nyana, that's when ngaqasisa ngazabantu yayithola. That's where first time I sing introduce ku drugs nyana.
Khona usese ku call center.
Yeah, call center. Like okay, mina I don't know ngithi abanye bakutshela ukuthi izolo drug yini, but okay izolo since ngibheka from high school. Yeah, so into bengangiphi inkingi. Yeah. So then lapho my call center then that's where I met up with Irok.
Sure.
Yeah.
Irok really.
Gay peace, you know. Yeah.
So how you were introduced to Irok?
It was I remember very well. We Friday we separate team in Chiramne. So some of our friends came over. Spooza yabo. So kind of these guys solo vibe a bathroom yabo. Ophume solo vibe bathroom time man ilengaka lenzwa ngathi. Naye ngiyayibona lento yabo mina ngifasa izolo lapho. Okay. Ngiyabona keep intuthu yabona umuntu uthi yabona ngathi hey. Ngathi awuthike ngizwe ne vele sengiplakile nami no ethona hayi ngidonse kokucala vele die lento yenza next mus just the waste die mphume kuye kusasa babuye futhi azikhipha ihlamahlama ngithenga amabhiya yini athi awuthingizwe futhi kanti let's I'm gonna get it right vele yangishavele leya feeling le I went from there. That's when she did the fan.
Yo, so how was it like your first time Maui Bema? How was your body compared to when you drink alcohol and maybe when you smoke Izod? How was it like? But so high because of Iraq.
Oh, what you on cloud nine? That's an understatement. Flags, you know, talkative, I told her, everything was just, I told very feeling I haven't even thought of a feeling like that before. I don't know. It's gonna leave me.
So before maybe we can carry on, for now understand that your life, a primary, your life, a high school, a relationship with your parents. How was the relationship from primary? Because you had so much tertiary, I mean, a university office, maybe when credit. So how was the relationship between your parents?
It was good. I'm the last boy at home. Shoot and on Thunderbonk. Go like I was not sure even a teen with the fees. Yeah, you understand. Because I used to play sports. I was in Girl Scouts. Played cricket, tennis, all the sports I was involved. My school trip, shooting, they didn't want me to think so all into anything at all. So really I was a mama's boy.
So you time was again?
Yeah, time was again, but he passed on 2004. When I was in standard 9, Yeah,
but it still kept on life in the shop.
Yeah. Everything was hundreds. So
everything started when you were about to take a responsibility when yourself.
Yeah, which is something I bought. I got to because I said even like simple things. Things like that. So I sing Puma, I sing on my own. My decision what I
you were better. So from Lapo being introduced to drugs and manje so hooked. Was born with I'm becoming an addict.
I want to love Spanish. Yeah, that's why you're so good now. This is becoming a problem. Mawanje be saying the paid days. With your payday, Friday, Monday, I know I'm going to be absent. Or even during the week, I must go see the doctor's note. I born danger. Now when I say days, I got jal. So sometimes maybe 7th I'm overtime and what not my holiday inside. Told my learning.
Yeah.
On Shavele, just left. Absconded. Yeah.
So after leaving, then your next fixed because there's no income.
Oh, you're not to like calling home. Because they used to always even support me. Even when I was working, I had salary maybe blew it in the weekend or what. I'd still call home. Come over, excuse me, I'm too many man. Yeah, Anjalo. And that was.
Yeah, so you shift already.
In Atlanta.
Yeah.
You actually span. Because I think 2 months I actually span apps. Apps Bank, Pretoria, Vanderbilt.
Yeah.
Pretoria, I think, the street land. I think next to the Reserve Bank, the State Theatre. I was working at that apps. My call night started off well. We had my figure, it's still goody. After 3 months, color pants.
So what was affecting you in a way you would see when Spanish is no longer important?
I'd look for my excuse like, hey, they're not paying me enough at all. In the Spanish grand in at all. I can get a better job
So it was not about you can't smoke ngesikhathi ufuna ukubhema ngaso.
Yeah, no, lo ngadlala irole ngoba nini vele yazi ma Fridays thola ngelunch vele so yagijima ngiyobhema. There were things like that, but nangapha imali uthi yabheka ukuthi imali esiyikhava nje malanganyana. Understand ukuthi ngifuna isipane esinye sizongibhadala more. Yebo.
So ukusipana i-call center, because ngiyaqala nje ukuba nomuntu oyosipana i-call center, and I've been asking myself ukuthi basipana kanjani i-call center, because sometimes ufuna uthola ukuthi nathi basibhelela and you end up ukuba angry uthuka umuntu. So wena bodila kanjani nezinto ezinjalo when it comes to ukuthi ukhuluma ne-customer and yet customer does not understand, more especially nangabe i-customer lilahlekelwe isomething and kumele ulichazele likwatile, banitraina kanjani ukuthi khona ukuhandle leyo situation?
Our big position, you have to just be calm. Be calm. Sometimes I mean, like into maybe like two, and put the mic on mute. I mean, two. You understand? I swear back now. I get the things on mute. You understand? But most of the time, now you won't become valid always. Now it's not me. You are
a human being.
Yeah, I'm human. But I really like to just keep calm. Let him vent out when a tool and yakulum. I told sometimes you look at Kuluma. Mike is talking now.
Yeah, the words of
hey, I wanna what? Hello, oh yes, yeah, but I get used to them. I told.
Yeah, so much utize you get hooked bone cherry yako. Nali cherry yankauza or it was only you?
No, it was me. Yeah, like a child is all.
Yes.
Yeah, she was smoking.
So your relationship was affected anything?
Yeah, not really, but in the long run, basically affect why she fell pregnant, and suspended that time, my anxiety and the one, there's always excuses. And then when she was gonna give birth and she went home, she had to go home and Nasala. And I lost control. So then she came back. I was born and I would like sing and then she just went back home and hey, fix yourself up.
So after PTA, your relationship with Pela, then what happened?
Then when I lost my job, I went to APSA. From APSA, I went to Brand House. From Brand House, I went to DHL. Yeah, I think after I lost the job at DHL, manje angithi uKenyu usitholile ngoba ngahlala njalo there in Kempton Park. Kese sidlala ama-Provident Fund what. Yaphela imali. Lapho ke sengifuna ezinye indlela zokufaka inyuko yabo sengazama amajita yazi sethembisa yazi ke at the end of the day sitokubabona ama weekend yazi sihleli mashisa nyama nawo amajita yangena kuphethe abasipani naye yabona naye imoto engayuko faka kukukuku hayi bayabuya how so simple into ezinjalo yabo. So kind of this other guy naye ngimskimile vele like his brother was doing all of that basha ma truck then like soxoxe yasima out into yakunanyuka le weekend sokwenza njani yathatha into ayifuna imoto so abantu bana ngazofuna itrans in manje let's go yabo angithi manje wakabona like I'm sort of desperate but angifuna ukujumpisa that's why yabona let's plug nje ngizoba nalo nje lelo plug nje ukuthi yazini sengizobona nje whatever happens yabo. Ayisahamba vele the first time vele ayisava grand ngoba beyi golf one nje imoto simple vele ukuthatha got paid yazi mnandi weekend Monday knew next, you understand? Vele eyes pushing on a little vigi, night weekend is 2. I think we were for the 3rd weekend, yeah. Ufunaini got 5 or something. That guy to put in a computer box. So I didn't really understand our computer boxes. How is this gonna, yabo? Okay, die. When I was start, Maris Lapos, I was just getting a Tempis. Kona this other, I want to put my MR29. We are Epitori. Yeah. War Tambo, Kona that off ramp with the Tempis. Yeah, R21, yeah. Kona this, like, he's sort of a bridge. So, yeah. I say it. Now, yeah, village, they didn't have stories. Yeah, get out, man. As it was a rabbi, you understand? Well, you will cooperate. Well, I was pauper. So I was charged all of that. I was bamba food. So I caught well, trip confirmation of address 14 days.
Bail application.
At first they say the confirming address.
Okay, for 14 days.
Yeah. We went to a Modab. C-section, yeah. Was there for the 2 weeks. So we had a court, the address confirmed, 7-day pay application. No. Bro, that's when I called home. I dialed. What is it? No, my friend, if you're in London, I mean, but the car is stolen. Hey, Olid Wakwata, bro. But then they called my brother, the brother that lives in Pretoria. Then he called the lawyer. Say after the 7 days, must appear a vele lawyer be corner. I told him bail, I think 3,000 each. I don't know what the lawyer did, but yeah. When we came back to attend, the case was withdrawn.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Marinyazi, I'll keep him
just to fix everything.
Yeah, then my lady told me that you need to come back home. So, old lady, we are welcome.
Oh, so
yeah. In Joburg, we were my brother and my sister. Yeah. Then I went home. In a shower in a corner. I think I went to Bloemfontein again. I told Spanish Santa. Yeah, it's like insurance, the insurance. Yeah. But I was doing commercial insurance for like businesses.
Oh, no.
Yeah, underwriting. Yeah, I was doing underwriting. Nakona, same thing. At first, I got paid. Yay. Kalapans.
Back to drugs now.
Back to drugs.
So the time we were from AJL to Endlini, you were using or one Spanish some drugs?
I can see we have a thing as a Spanish, yeah, but Beverly Zolo, I told.
Uchola Spanish, you went back to drugs.
I'm told Spanish, first month, I said, right, but I'm told the salary. That's who get sent.
You saw Swahili because Bosuche was okay.
I prove, that's why I say this thing that it's got a Hamani Timon into the primary track. Or the moment you touch money, you interfere, you're like, hey, just one. Yeah, but just eye opener so you can think properly what you want to do with your money. I mean, yeah, one intention is cautious and that one is going to lead to 50 more.
Thinking about your child.
Naughty papa. Ha. He's challenging imali yani barbo to funu cabanga kahle ayithola.
So imagine if ever you hit like one pool or one smoke or whatever that you do in rock, if it faka enye
yeah, you know, angibayibiza eat some more. You're chasing a dragon.
The more you eat, the more you want more.
Chasing a dragon. Go like they say your first hit that high. It's the first, you will never get that high again. So you're chasing that high, which you will never get. And the messed up thing, we are good bacteria, but you won't. No one easy, man.
So does it boost your sexual life when it comes to if ever I'm high? then I'm gonna have sex. Does it boost that? Does it make it much more nicer than it normally is?
Sometimes, ngasho ne. Sometimes, takutlangela story put. You'll regret why you took that for. What? Making up excuses.
Yeah.
Gave me cold coffee in.
So, okay, you about to say.
I know, correct.
Yeah, I just want to ask because you told me just now, which your first crime inviting Shai golf. What was your role there? What was your role, Manu Shai golf when as Mushid?
I mean, at that first point, being checky, being supposed to
scout.
Yeah, I see 2 men out jam actually. Yeah, so I was just standing checking that everything is clear. What?
Chartini or Chachi?
It was like my flatting.
Okay.
Yeah, like a parking corner. Yeah. So my flatting and I want to allow my security gate.
Oh, just
in and out. Yeah.
So natural money in the golf.
1.5.
You. Punya.
You need 20. Yeah, World Cup 2011.
20, yeah, World Cup it was 2010.
10, yeah.
Yeah.
11.
1.5.
Yeah, namanje golf for Pitori Mamiloli paid for 800. Stolen. In the rank of football.
Yeah.
It's not in demand. Hey man, someone by chonche my motors na man. Just na my D40, my GD6. My bike. 50.
But that's nothing, bro. The motor is almost half a meter.
Yeah.
No, it's fine. Almost half a meter. So much you tell me.
He has his quick cash.
Yeah. None. Then you went back to Espanini and you got hooked again. Then after that, what happened? How did you end up around Secunda?
Okay, then after I lost that job, and then my one brother was staying here in Secunda called King Ross. He was working at Sasol Mine. He was a shift boss there. Then he heard that then he said I must come stay with him a bit. Then I came, I stayed with him, I grinded, I told I don't have income, I don't have anything, then I think the shutdown came. I don't remember which year, 2015 or 14. Okay, wangiphimala my CV, what ngayowenza. Oh no, my mother first said I must go do a course, go floor. A pipe fitting. Yeah, I think it was 25,000 or something. And she paid it really. I entered the course. I sharp. I think the following month because I shut down, yeah. When I AMT, I forget into. I fuck my CV as I was walking up in Fike Stadium. A telephone call, but I ended up to think you are a stadium, but you boy, yeah.
I've seen now more than like 100 meters.
And I'm not that being your fault. I know. I just came in high and submit what ababuya bathi na KB my medical to know but okay Monday ubela Monday vele sikwenza konke lokho then I got hired here wana lafuntu kadla imali for the first 3 weeks angaze they were waiting for the permit to start the job or something. We were wakona kuSpain yohlala nje.
Yeah,
3 weeks bro. Sunday siyafika nje siyahlala uyalala.
Doing
nothing, just getting paid. Just part that until we started the job. Nayo ngasebenza khona lapho angazi bekunama holiday inside also. Nama Sunday amaningi because I remember for the job that I was doing assistant I ngathula imali eningi kakhulu. Ngiwenza iphutha. I ain't going back. Yeah. Evele ngaye event. Yazi lapha eSquare.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it was a ball. Pema. Vele nje le mali nje khathi ngiyithola from
How much was it? 20?
It was what 17,000. I was the assistant.
Yeah.
I wanted to tell my 8,000 in fortnight, 7,000.
So
And go blew it.
on the weekend.
Lapho yo kubile. Maybe I would tell about Tuesday, Wednesday. Vele lapha Khotman vele lambile. Nje wondile yabona ko real. Le stress ngapho yo Spanini solo angi
Apa ne Hotman ugrase.
Khotman naye ngapha story vele. Vele ngathi ngafika vele Khotman akekho ifru yakhe. Ngavele ngathi khona ngihamba la. Welcome, I'm going back home. I have welcome very true. Back to welcome. I already feeling I'm cancelled with my contract aphelile what. Yeah. Okay, no stress. As Khotman afuna ukuthi awuso yahamba nje in hey. So a whole other thing. Vele yazi singihlangana nama out lapha. Avele besigeleza sonke ibhemeli izolo vele singahlala kwacala ke lezi zinto zokuphuza sesiyaphuza manje vele ma weekend kuyaphuza manje mina benginjani that time like mangiplakile ngithanda ukulo manje machita bese bana lento yokuthini wakona ngithi besihlale down thini angithi yazi ekasi nini wanokusihlupha thina base down okay it's all right now babeze ngabazophuzela down besiba nayo that thing ukuthi this is our territory manje lamathi bathanda ukucala izinto
lezi izakho
bayazi ukuthi hayi angibambiza uBig Nqobishi ngoba ngithi benginomzimba omkhulu kanti uBig Nqobishi bengabuze vele ngifike ngishaya nje so sinokuboshwa ama weekend yazi ma assault yazi so uphuma ku drink in public yazokhishwa nje yabo and riding into ngibona ukuthi ingashi led me to other crimes in yabona lo kungasabi ijele
because
ngoba at first uyazi umuntu makachela ngejele ukuthi jele no ways yabo manje yabona so jwayele so yazi mina when you walk in prison ukuthi what is what in ayithola so yakwazi ukuthi ubani manje ngamsusa mina empedini ngeke ngitshele next ayithola vele it was another experience.
Sure. So manje since ubuyile Welcome edladlini you starting to fight namachita wagcine sekuphelele because I want you to push up until so ugcine sofika ngaye
yona vele this very ungasho ukuthi the same things vele already started complaining Khotman ayithola athe nangilo muntu sikaqalile manje manje sekayadakwa sekuhlezi khala abantu plus ngibeka mistress ekasi so ekhona lapho this other weekend there was it was a heavy fight vele ngathi vele le ama gangster so so leading at Monday wayizwa like esikolweni kuxoxa ukuthi nomntwana wakho bekakhona what olid vele wathuka vele ngoba khona abantu abashona yabo vele yazi
like gangster
like angithi yazi must sit down khona abafowethu wethu basekasi nazi basekasi sinabo same story olid wade mina ngisakufuni la elohambo uKhotman la kutubuyi yebo ayimbuye Khotman la ngitholela khona isipani eMai Mpumelelo
I must don't comment manje because I've been working in Mpumelelo as well. Mpumelelo ivulwe yithi because I was working in maintenance. Usipani eMpumelelo?
bengispanela ento uPhili yamasi.
No, which section or
Stonework.
Stonework
Quite those.
Stona konje bekhona nabo banda phaya.
Quite those beka minor mara mina bengi maintenance operator.
Khona nenye bathi uzwile but le igcine seyifika manje.
Bomanqoba. Bomude. uPhili amkeni.
Maybe
he used to be used to play foreman. I mean ini konje manje France.
France ngiyambona
ingam ngathi. Khona lo munye lo beka foreman Stonework. Manje umdala nje.
ngiyambona ngalekhehla.
Yeah, bekaloku angenela yena sometimes uBill. Or drive BM nje. Yeah. Yebo.
So why
yeah, it was 2016.
Nabo Zulu musuzulu.
Yeah, uZulu yeah, bekayiminor. Yabona
Yeah. So then why you spanning ngara?
Yeah, 2016 ngale mpumelelo. Yeah, 2016, yeah, 17, 18. Mpumelelo waqala ke ama drugs.
Game 2, game 5, man.
Bro, I lost count came back. Mara ngazi bekune the thing is ukuthi ngikhona ukuthi ngihlale so long khona. Ngihlale camp.
Oh,
the transport.
You stay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Angibhadali transport, angibhadali rent. Noma ngishaya nganqonqisa salary ayazi ngiyohla ngiyofika esipanini konke. So that's how I was able to maintain it.
Permanent.
Yeah, ngoba ngispanini I think 3 months on contract was bangithatha permanent.
Oh, bro, you were lucky.
In fact. Yazi ngicabanga nayo lento leyo mfethu ma opportunity umuntu adlale ngayo.
Apha nami phela ngiyakumamela ngiyasho ntanga yo.
Nobana nje ibona mine they took me to rehab twice. A Houghton House 2 times.
Due to ama-drugs.
Yeah.
Then iSpanish usluza kanjani nje?
Vele sona sengisluza via ini. When I came back from rehab the second time, I think seventh week, then I relapsed and I just left, never came back. And as I was saying, then they said you have to go to work. We have to first go to disciplinary. Yeah, boy. Disciplinary was why I got fired.
Because I also had a friend who did that as well. Like, na uSpani lesasicala sonke vele uSpana. Abe mangacazi ukuthi yankawuza yena ke bekaSpani control just
thatha abantu
underground not surface. Then it happens ukuthi naye yagcine yena bekane like ama-loan yena mhlawumbe yashaya ama-loan ayi-10. So at the end of the day you wanted to find out ukuthi makahola yonke imali bayicofa wabona ngathi sekaSpani namasini wakho Spani kanjani. But nalo i-drugs naye bamvayisile rehab. Yena ke uthi uyayicela rehab. Wow, ngathi ngase Springs rehab yakhona. Because then abamikisa ngase Springs and then makaceda waphuma wangena lapha ehotel washaya. Abuye ekhaya. So but life after impumelelo as in like njengoba so no to blow my strategy. Yini wasaba ukuyela back uRoto ogcina sekufaka indlela.
Vele mina ngasho ukuthi wemahlolo uyabona ukuyela endlini mama ngiphakele futhi
sure yeah uthi back ukubuyela endlini
yeah bekunalento ukuthi yabo ukuthi I've messed up so many times and edala bangikhuza ukuthi hayi man you know what I'm going to make this so iqala futhi impilo yabo ngizohlanganisa kahle ayithola vele yazi ke sicale la ngeza la isekhunda yabona like khathi sengizo when I absconded yabona eSpanini like mangiyakho camp ngiza la down emajideni yabona inini I sleep bale O's strategi
yeah
sasa ngiyabuyela ecamp sing
but bebasakuvumela ecamp
angithi besabhizinisi disciplinary
alright
yabo ngibuyela eGawulo lase camp nyana yabona izinjalo mafruits yes and then I got fired avele ngeza khona yona le out le ngithole naye vele ngilala naye